Here we are, Ellie. Wareham Forest. Yeah, Wareham Forest. See where this goes then, shall we, sweetheart? Come here. So tonight here we are, Elli-Boo, in Wareham Forest. Yeah, thought we'd have a run round Wareham Forest, didn't we? Look at these little tracks and little trails. Should we go down one of these little tracks and trails? No, that goes back to there, doesn't it? Let's go this way then. Better mark my location though, Elli-Boo, aren't I, in case we get lost. Because you know what I'm like. Put a pin in there, mark my location. That's it. Location marked, Elli-Boo. Let's go. What you found there, girl? Is it just a stone? There's no mushrooms, I don't eat those. Oh, it's dog purring, don't eat that either. Come on out. There's no water, you can forget it. This way. Good girl. This is what you like, isn't it? You love being out in the forest. Yes, you do. There's only one thing you like better, and that's foraging, isn't it? Yeah. Foraging for sticks. Sticks? Where's the sticks? You looking for sticks? You looking for sticks? Bounce, bounce. You looking for sticks? Beautiful, Ellie, isn't it? Hey? This is beautiful. Look, walkway there, look. Wonder where that goes. Should we try this way? Should we try here? A little bit narrower. Let's go off the beaten track a little bit. Looks like it might be a bit of an MTB run, but we don't care, do we? No, we're in the forest. Soon stop, can't we? Need be. This way. Good girl. Bounce, bounce. You bouncing? Were you bouncing? You gorgeous? Are you gorgeous? Fir cone. Look at this fir cone. To be fair, Ellie, I think we're going to struggle to find any fir cones out here. Love the little jump. It looks like I've come up for a 10-mile hike. That's definitely a little MTB run down through there. Definitely. Oh, I don't know where we are now, Elli-Boo. Yes, I do. This way then, girl. What's that stick? That's a big stick. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, yes. You're taking that on. Don't, be careful you don't shove it down your throat. Don't count. That's it. This way. Good girl. Good girl. Where are we then? Hey, where are we? All those smells, Dad. All those smells. What's this? Go find it. Go find it. Where's it gone? Where'd it go? Find it. Where is it? Where's it gone? Where is it? Where is it? Where's it gone? That's not it. It's an old bit of bark. Where is it? Where's it gone? Bounce, bounce. Where are we? Where are we then? I don't know whether you can go that way at all, or whether that's just a lookout. We'll have a look. What? There's a trail through there, Elli-Boo. Not done that before, have we? Hey? Should we have a look through there, see if we can get through there? Yeah, you bouncing to see if you can see it? Yeah, you bouncing? Let's have a look down through this way then. How far it goes, whether we can even get down. Fir cone. Fir cone, got a fir cone. Got a fir cone. Come on then. What's that? What have you got? What are you tearing up there now? Come here, because I don't know how steep that is. Ooh, we're going downhill. Come on, Elli-Boo. Put my jump on because it was cold in the shade, and the sun, it's hot. Careful. Come here. Careful. Yeah, I think you found the right way down, Elli-Boo. Go that way. Look at this. Look at this. Come on then. Careful, man, that stump. Wow. Who's a good girl then? Who's a good girl? Wowzers, Ellie, we are out in the sticks here a bit. Oh, there's the main track. Trust you to find the mud. Hey, did you find mud? You don't like mud, surely. I can't believe that you like mud. Go to the Gruffalo pool, as we call it. Get out the water. I found water. I found water, Dad. Yes, I have. Come on, get out. But I found water. This way. No, don't go up there. We're going up no drain pipe, thank you. This must go back to the Gruffalo pool, I think. Gruffalo pool. Where's the Gruffalo pool? Oh, this way. Not too far, sweetheart. Come on, out. Ellie. Out. No water. I love the little hop, skip and bounce. I love the little hop, skip and bounce. Brilliant. Yes, it is. It's brilliant. Morden Bog. Morden Bog. And go for a little dip. Hey? Fancy a little dip? Come this way, come out of there. I hope you don't see that. Can you smell the water? This way, going this way. Ellie, this way. Morden Bog, nature reserve. That's a nature reserve. What's that? It's a tree. Roof. What is it? Is it a tree? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Go find it. You're having a swim, girl. Hey? You having a swim? That's dirty old water as well by the looks of it. What? You want another one? Ah, don't you come near me and splash. Get out of it. Ready? Go get it. Wow. Look at that dirty old water. It's brown. Stay. Ready? Go get it. This way. Wow. It's just natural, isn't it, for you, eh? Yes, it is. Just natural. Oh, I like a swim, Dad. Come this way. Ellie. Ellie. This way. Come on. In case you get tired. Wow. You're a good swimmer, aren't you? Hey? Yes, you are. You a good swimmer? Eh? Are you a good swimmer? Are you? Look at that face. Look, you're covered in God knows. You're going to have a bath now when you get home. Get your head out the water. Come on, this way. Have a shake. Come on. Ellie, come. Spot the springer who doesn't want to come out. Get away from me. Yeah! Is that good? Hey? Oh, bless. Look at her. Did you enjoy that? Come out of there. Come out of there. Ellie, out. Careful. Come on. No, there's no water in there. You come this way. Come this way. No. Not that dirty old water either. Bless her. This way. Oh, should we go that way actually? Let's go this way. This way. Come on. We're going to go that way. So we can find our way around this way. Come out. You like a good swim then? That's great. This way, come on. Down in the Gruffalo pool. Come out of that fence, you're not going in there. No, out. Ellie, it's fenced off for a reason, sweetheart. Out. No, there's no water in there. I'm looking for water, Dad. I'm looking for water. I like that swimming like. I like that swimming like. Yes, I do. We're backing at. It's a fence post, or it's just a post. Come out. Come out. That's just pure mud. Good job. Tuesday night's your bath night anyway, isn't it? Hey, this way. Bless her. She loves a good swim. Don't you? Hey, you like a good swim. Got that on film too. On film. God, that's a old statement. Blimey. You go out there. You don't know what's out there. So I don't care, Dad. I'm just going to explore. This is great, Elli-Boo, isn't it? Look at the view there. Look at it. Beautiful. Lovely evening. Get out of that fence. Let's see if she does it. Ellie, come. Ellie, come. Good girl. Click. Good girl. Don't jump up at it. Good. No. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Off you go. Well done. Wait, because we need to wait. This gate's never been shut before, I don't think. Oh, well, that's shut. Come out of there. Get out. We're not going that way, we're going this way. Please shut the gates. Oh, we thought they were open. They put loads of gates up. Get out. Look, you've got muddy pools. Come out. No. 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 Come on. I can see why they call it Morden Bog. This way. You can see why you call it Morden Bog. Get out. No. Good girl. Come on, no. Going this way. Come out. Yeah, but there's water there, Dad. There's water. Where's that way go then? We've been that way before. We're going 114. We'll try this way, Elli-Boo, can't we? Get out, you numpty, I heard that. Is there water in there? Is there water in there? Look at the state of you, Elli-Boo. Come out. It's wet, Dad. It's wet and there's water. Out. It's wet. I love it. You love water, don't you? You certainly are a water baby, aren't you? Don't run in the mud. This way. Come out of there. Wow, Elli-Boo, isn't this lovely? So quiet. Nobody around. Definitely going to have to get you one of those water doggy wash off things, aren't we? Come out. You're crazy. Come. You're absolutely crazy. Good girl. Wait. Wait. What a good girl you are. Doing as you're told. Gently. Good girl. Off you go. That looks a long way up through there, Elli-Boo. Wait. Sit. Wait. Good girl. Excuse me. Sit. Wait. I haven't told you to move yet. Wait. Now you can move. Come on. Good girl. Be careful that doesn't go back to the main road, Ellie. It probably does, eventually. You don't go very far, do you? Eh? You don't go very far, do you? No, I didn't say go in the mud. Oh, what have you picked up? What did you pick up there? Stick. Bit of stick. Bit of bark. Oh, lovely. We'll have a chomp on that. It's there. You've missed. That's it. So, here we are then, Ellie. Streaming live for the first time. Wareham Forest. You've had a good swim, haven't you, sweetheart? You've had a good swim. Yes, you have. You had a good time? Hey, have you had a good time? What have you got there? Stick. So, first time going live, Elli-Boo. You're live on your Facebook page. Yes, you are. What's this? What's this? Stick. What's this? Go find it. Where is it? Find it. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's that stick gone? Where's it gone? Find it. Find that stick. Find that stick. Where is it? Where is it? Where did it go? You're not going to give up, are you? Eh? No, I'm not. Don't give up. God, these midges are biting out here, Elli-Boo. Let's walk on. Get out of that poo as well. Oh, we did go live, Elli-Boo. You went live for the first time. It's just a shame we didn't have a very good signal. What? 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 Come on then. This way. Where are we then? Hey, where are we? Never been down through here before, have we? Hey? I've been eaten alive. Again. Been eaten alive again, Elli-Boo. Yep. Yes, I have. You've had a good time, haven't you? Had a good swim. Come here, because I don't think the road's too far away, my sweetheart, and I don't want you running out there. I think you've got to go through a gate first, though, but... can hear the road from here. Come back here, sweetheart. Not too far. Doing 8 o'clock. We've just done a figure of 8, that's what we've done. And we'll go across, hopefully, back onto the main track. Wow, what's all that? What's all that then, Elli-Boo? Hey? What's all that then? Where does all that go? Come here. So I don't know where that goes. Just go this way. Because that's heading away from the road then. Go on. Where are we going? Where are we going? Come out of there. Come out of there. Where are we going then? Apart from going into where we're getting eaten alive by the midges. Hey? Come out. Oh, that's a bit muddy there. This way. Come on, you filthy animal. That's a bit wet there. Don't take that on and block my way. So I don't care, Dad. I don't care getting dirty. I love getting dirty. Not too far, sweetheart. We will go that way, but I'm going to have to keep an eye on where the road is. Oh. Where's this go then? Where are we going? Come here, not too far. Not too far, sweetheart. Where are you going too far? Because we're not very far from the road. Come here. Wow, we're right in the heart of the forest now. This way. Well, the car park must be here somewhere. Come here, sweetheart, because I don't know where the road is. Come here. Ellie, wait. Pigeon. Oh, is this the silent woman? Come here. Come here. It's not the silent woman, surely, is it? Not that far down. Come here. What are you doing, you nutcase? Careful. This way. No, this way. There's a road there. Go this way. Get off the horse dung. Off. Christ. That horse wasn't very well by the looks of it. Come here. Somebody's house. There's somebody's house. It's a rock. It's a rock. You nutcase. This way. Ooh. Wow, Ellie, we are right. Come out. Come out. Come out. That's somebody's. Come here. Ellie, out. Out. That's somebody's land. Out. Ellie. This way. Hopefully this takes us over the other side of that bloody stream. Wowzers. We're in the forest now, Ellie. Oh yes we are. We've just gone round in a big circle. This way. Oh, we have. I can see where we are now. I'm not going through that mud, so we're going to have to go back that way. Oh well, we're exploring, aren't we? Eh? We're exploring. Yep. Figure of 8. Eaten alive. Not too far. What are you barking at now? What have you found? Hey? What have you found to bark at this time? Hey? You love it, don't you? This is, you are living your best life, aren't you? Hey, this is heaven for you, isn't it? Apart from there not being a big pool of water there. Otherwise it would be heaven, wouldn't it? Yep. It would be heaven. Get off, Midgie. I've been bitten again, Elli-Boo. I've been bitten. Come on. Take it on. Not too far, gorgeous. You're a good girl. Hey? Who's a good girl? So I think we're going to have to go back down the main track. That's all right. Or can we go through there? Is that a track through there? No, it's just mud. Which way did we come? We must have come this way. Get out of that water as well. Get out. Filthy. Come over here. No. No and no. No horse dung. No filthy water. Thank you very much. Over and out. She won't let me out of her sight. She get out of that water. She's brilliant, aren't you? Hey, you are brilliant off the lead, aren't you? Is this where we found you? This is where you... Yeah, that's where you... Where did your stick go? Hey, that was there somewhere, wasn't it? Hey, where's your stick? Where's your stick? Is it there? Is it there somewhere? Is it there somewhere? I've got a feeling it is, you know. You've just... No, come on then. I thought perhaps you'd found a stick, but you've lost the scent, haven't you? You've lost the scent. Well, I thought that would have taken us back to the car park, Elli-Boo, but I've clearly got that completely wrong. This might be where we rode through with Neil. So we're going to have to go right here, back down to the bottom, right again, and back up that way. What have you got? What have you got there? Come on. No. No. Out. Get out. You dirty pup. You dirty pup. I don't know where that goes then. Let's try this way, Elli-Boo. It's got to bring us back down there somewhere, surely. It's a footpath by the looks of it. Where are we going? Is there mud and crap all up here? Probably could have got across there actually, where the mud and crap was. You're alright with your little light feet. Yeah, not too far, you wait for me. We don't know where this is going and what the ground conditions are like. Oh, says he, tripping over. So wet though, Elli-Boo, isn't it? Eh? So wet. Even now. Yep. Horse has been through here by the looks of it. They don't seem to care. They don't seem to care, Elli-Boo. Do they? Hey, don't go in there. You be careful. You don't know what's in there. This is looking a bit wet here. There'll be a main track here soon, surely. Come out! Out! Ellie! Out! Get out, you monster. Wowzers, Ellie. It's all this to explore, isn't it, eh? All this to explore. This way. Oh, a bit late. Look at the birdies. Look at those birdies. Wowzers, Elli-Boo. Come out. What a lovely walk. I haven't got a clue where we are. We're lost in Wareham Forest, but it's a lovely walk. You're enjoying it, aren't you, sweetheart? I'm just following you, Dad. If you get lost, so will I. I don't care, though. Come out. It's got to take us back to a main route, I would have thought, Ellie. The main route's got to be here. Somewhere. Come on. Careful. You really bowled me over there. Come on. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty? Hey? Very pretty. Sun's going down. Typical. It's been a lovely day. I go back to work. The sun comes out. And it looks like it's going to be out all this week, Elli-Boo. So walks all this week. Yep, walking all this week. Hello, I can hear somebody. So much to explore out here, isn't it? Huge. Wareham Forest is huge. It just doesn't seem huge on a bike. You waiting for me? Good girl. Good girl. Keep walking, you don't seem to get bit. It's when you stop. Ellie, stop. Wait. Ellie, Ellie, sit. Wait. Come. Be careful. Got to be a main route here somewhere, Ellie. Come here, sweetheart. I don't know what the conditions are like down there because that looks wet. Come here. Come. Come. Good girl. Good girl. That is wet there. We have to go up round the side. You're not going through that water. Come here. That's it. Up through there. Come here. This way. This way, Ellie. That's it. Go through there. That's it. Out. Ooh, cobwebs. Ooh, a spider in there. Cobwebs across the trees. Aha! We're back on the main track. Now, where are we though? You had to, didn't you? Was that a splosh I heard? So here we are, back where we started at Elli-Boo. We couldn't do a whole loop. Well, not where we started, but back near the Gruffalo pool. It's a sign. It's a sign. It's a sign. It's not even moving, look. What is it? What is it? It's a sign. It's a sign. It's not gonna. It's a sign, that. It's just a sign. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Get down, you filthy Paul. You're crazy. Crazy. You are crazy. It's going to be a 3-miler easily. It's good. It's good exercise, isn't it? Bath time when you get home. Bath time when you get home. Well, I'm not too keen on that, Dad. I like the dirty old pools, but actually don't mind here, the shower. As long as it's warm. You don't mind the shower, do you? She's so good. She just doesn't go very far. Oh, he says as she runs off. She'll look on it. There you go. Rode up through here a few times, Ellie. Not my most favourite ride, I must admit. It's right for the fit ones. That's unfit, fat, balding, old geezers struggle. Come out, whatever it is. So, park car, directions. Let's go on the 14-minute. Go. We keep going on this track here then, do we? And that runs up now. Oh, big slug. Let's go through the gate, not that way. This way. This way, sweetheart. Good girl. Nice glass of wine when we get home, Elli-Boo. Come on. Good girl. We barking like it's a seat. You crazy dog. You still got plenty of go in you though, haven't you? What are you doing up there? Ellie, Ellie, sit. Ellie, sit. Ellie, sit. Wait, sit. Sweetheart, you should have done it the first time, shouldn't you? Come here. Come. Sit. You wait. Wait. Come on then. Woo! Hard work walking up there, let alone riding. What are you doing? Apart from living your best life. Hey? And next we know where we are now. Yep, 3.8 miles, that's good enough, Elli-Boo. 9 o'clock by the time we get home. It's good for you, isn't it? This is good for you. Watch. Let's see how long it is before she... Good girl. Good girl. I was going to try and hide. Yeah, that's that stick you bought on the way here. This way. Gonna go do some jumps? Ellie, Ellie, come. 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 Sit. Wait. 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 Good girl, come on. This way, gorgeous, good girl. Nearly back to the car now. This way, gorgeous. You've forgotten your lead in a minute. What are you seeing? It's another sign. You've got to think about signs, haven't you? Beautiful, Elli-Boo, beautiful. So much more to explore. I mean, crikey, 3.29 miles, we've only scratched the surface. Come here, gorgeous. You wait. Sit. Ellie. Ellie, sit. Sit. Wait. Wait. Good girl. Stay. Wait, I should say. Wait. So Elli-Boo, there we go. How was that? You enjoyed yourself, haven't you? Eh? You've enjoyed yourself. Yep. Great walk around Wareham Forest. So much more to explore. We'll have to come back and do it all again and try a different route next time. See where it takes us. So I'm going to say goodbye for now, Elli-Boo. Bye-bye for now. Go home and have your bath. Make it nice and clean again. Ready for another adventure. So say bye-bye, everybody. Take care, and we'll see you soon.